Trunk is stuck. Makes that sound. I got the fix. This is your problem. It's this right here. So inside the trunk, to pop it, you have this little round circle from the factory. And you drill that hole out. And you need just something skinny like a long Allen wrench. And what you're doing is it's pushing right on this lever here. Where's it at? Let's see if I can show you. This lever here is pushing on it, and when you push it back, it releases the lever. So that's how you pop it open manually. So I'm gonna pull this whole back panel off to get to the screws underneath here and here, and then it should be plug and play. Hopefully we can get this new part on within the next hour. I got about an hour left of daylight. Stay tuned. I think we have just two main screws holding this whole thing on, and then all the little clips inside. That guy and this here. I think everything else just pops out. You want to unplug this guy carefully so you don't bust it when you're popping out the clips. Try to be careful not to break any of these little clips. Looks like I broke one right there, but I think once we don't have to take the whole panel off. Once we get into here, this is our part here. We could just undo these screws. I think there's 3 screws total, and then we unhook it wherever it's plugged in at. Should be pretty much plug and play. Got the 3 screws out. It just pops right out. Got to disconnect it here, and it looks like it's the exact same part. All right, this is the old one. It actually came off pretty easily. My new part, exact same part. AutoZone and O'Reilly Auto Parts, local auto parts stores are actually selling this part for $300. I found this on Amazon for 80 bucks. It's actually the exact same part, just as heavy, not cheap feeling. Let's see how it works. All right, it ain't fixed unless I show you it works, right? Let's see. Perfect. No sound, no nothing. I just gotta finish putting these parts back on. This guy here and then this guy, but these are the only 2 screws. So these are the only 2. It's trash. Here's the only 2 screws, and then just a couple of the little brackets. You got to be careful not to break. Really easy part to change out. I'd grade this like a, I don't know, difficulty maybe 3 out of 10. Saves you a lot of money. Like I said, try to buy the part on Amazon instead of the auto parts store. It's like triple the price at the auto parts store. And as you can see, works perfect. No sound, nothing. Nice lock in. Good stuff, guys. Until next time, take care. God bless. Subscribe to my channel if this helped you out. Peace.